Hello guys, myself Nidhi Bola and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to Hyderabad for a women's tournament and this is my experience over there. So this is the room which we are staying in currently. For the first day it's a dorm and I'll be staying over there. These are my friends.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Rachi.
Bakchi.
Rachi.
Okay, she's Rachi. You tell me where you're from also.
I'm from Pune.
Okay.
I'm Yamika. I'm from Bangalore.
She's from Sad Sports.
I'm Kavya from Pune.
She's Pune.
Huh? Record Same thing I said, no? You also record yourself.
Okay, wait. This
Camera's so cool.
I look bad, but yeah, it's okay.
Even I look bad.
Guys, it's
How much
raining.
is this, bro?
It's raining and there are under 12 no national series people. They're literally cleaning the courts. They're so enthusiastically cleaning the courts, but it's drizzling. Send video.
Is it decent? Show me.
Yeah, you look nice.
Don't lie to me.
You ask for the people to comment if. Yeah, guys, comment if she looks nice. Okay, she doesn't want comment at some.
It's okay, comment.
That's Priyadarshini and Harini. Okay, this is Charanya. She's doing something, and
Drinking some.
she's making some PB protein.
No! It's just protein.
Okay.
It's GoPro!
And no, it's DJI. She's Lavanya, guys. She's always sleeping in that bed.
Put me in your YouTube channel. She's gonna put this. Not like this, bro! What the frick? Next time put makeup and I will come.
Okay.
Enough! Harini is busy.
Texting.
Texting.
They're here. They're here. No, they were on top. Hey, they were on top. Yeah, they're there. In that. As it was raining outside, we decided to play some games with all the under 12 people. Here we are playing Mafia and we played Damsharats, we played the Chinese Whispers, and we played the blindfolded game and many more.
You moved your leg. It was bending her.
Like you three. Table, ma table. Oh shit. After games, we had a small cake cutting ceremony for a player who is from under 12. It is 5 o'clock and they're cleaning the courts because this is the time it stopped drizzling. And today Dharni is not going to have a match because there's only one round. Tell something.
So I was actually like in mood to play because I want to finish, and my goal this week or this tournament was to reach the main draw. So I was pretty excited that I want to play today, but it is actually also good that I didn't play because I just traveled here today and it is pretty tiring already. So it gave me a rest so I can get good.
Okay.
I'm very camera conscious. I'm gonna put this in your vlog.
Yeah.
Shit.
Okay. She is camera conscious. Okay.
Yeah.
So Rabi, tell me, what do you feel now that it's raining and it stopped? It
I
was
have
raining.
my intrusive thoughts telling me that it's gonna rain again. But I'm
And do you want it to rain?
yeah.
Why? You have match today?
No.
Okay. This is peaks of sadism, guys.
Yeah. I know. There's a lie.
Okay, guys, this is Lavanya. She's just cleaning the court 5 minutes back. What do you think about the courts, the weather, and your match?
What do I think about the courts? Courts are wet. Whether it's raining. What else do you want to know?
Your match.
My match not yet happened, so I don't know what to say.
If you give interview like this, no, in Grand Slams and all. Guys, Vaishnavi is here.
Hi.
And then she's done something with her hand. She got a tear, a ligament tear. Okay, get well soon. This girl is coming with a bread omelette. The aerial view, and that's the graveyard. Hi! Hi guys, this is
I'm Anisha Shivakumar. I'm from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore.
in
Follow me on Instagram. Anisha_Answer.
yeah. Oh my god,
To know these people. Hello. They're kind
these people are irrelevant.
yeah, they're very
Irrelevant.
Yeah, so guys, this girl is teaching us the bad words from Tamil. Okay, what is that word?
Hello, check.
Yeah, she's here.
Boys singles unfinished match. Riyan Nandankar against Arus Reddy Yeduguri on court number 1.
Appadi.
On court number 2, girls.
I'll beep it, bro. Don't worry. I'll beep it.
Maina Sheikh against Vinesha Sethi on court number 2. Priyanshi Ritik.
She told something from. What?
Adinala
அதையும் கழுதான்னு வருது பாரு. கழுத. It is கழுத.
Bro, try putting PUTT instead of ASS. No. You will get
I will
it.
tell you, but you censor it.
Okay, I'll beep it. Yeah, I'll beep it. Fine. What? For this much, so much drama.
That's all. But you censor.
Okay. Donkey's ass.
Yeah, now we're learning.
My mom sees means she will tell Veetla na you are talking like this. Outside also you go talk like this. Swami words you tell in your mouth. Same mouth is telling this. She will tell. So please put beeps.
Okay, beep.
We'll beep this and then
We'll put that.
Let's go.
Yep. Day 2, guys. So Dharni has match today, and I'm here to practice with all of my friends and Dharni. So they are warmed up for their match, and today all I will do is support for Dharni and other players. So we're going to have breakfast. Dharni's match lunch. It's very sunny today.
Hot chocolate. But it's cold.
Kind of like adding flavor. I can't see. You're in the dark. What yeah, Tanvi? What happened to your match?
finally I'm in the video.
Finally, you're in the video.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been waiting, you know.
Oh, she's been okay. Then we'll put some zoom on your face. Tell, how was your match?
My match was good.
You are supposed to give interview, okay?
Okay.
You've seen all these Grand Slam interviews, no? You ask one question, they talk for 5 minutes.
Yes.
You need to talk like so. Tell me about your match. Okay, Dharni is going to her match. All the best.
All the best.
Okay, tell bro.
All the best.
How was your match?
My match was really good. I played really well. But I gave 3 games.
3 games.
3 games I gave.
Oh, you gave 3 games.
Yeah. I shouldn't have given, I guess.
Okay. You wanted to be ruthless.
Yeah. Yeah. That's all.
Yes, that's all. And
That's all.
preparing for the next match.
Okay, all the best.
I forgot about the last match.
You forgot about the last one.
Cheese sandwich and omelette.
And she didn't share it with us. Guys, this is Tanvi. She didn't share anything with us.
No shit.
And then she still wants my bread, which is in the bag.
I'm gonna steal it now.
She's back from US, guys.
I'm a big fan of Nidhi's videos.
Oh my god.
Missing home.
People are watching
Fun she's having.
so much. Auntie, hello, auntie. What time's your match, Gagana? Oh, you finished
I
up.
had a very intense match.
Wait, I need to lift my hand.
Lot of tie breaks. Finished it.
She got walkover.
the next match.
Guys, this is how we tell when we get a walkover.
I was thinking it's actually you played. You look like that. Exhausted.
Yeah, actually.
She started a match at 8 o'clock. Haven't just completed. Haven't played the whole day yesterday and I'm looking exhausted. So.
All the best for your second match.
Thank you.
Is the second birthday celebrated?
Yeah, but I'm not eating the cake.
Okay. Oh, you have a match. She's here for the cake.
No, I'm on a diet.
Gagana has match. Hi, bro. You're here for the cake?
Yeah, I'm here for the cake and I'm for you.
Oh no, please.
Hello guys. What? She lost 6-3, 6-4, 6-3.
Hello.
Tanvi gave 3 games again. Stole it.
Okay, tell me how was your match?
Then I do it. If it is yours, I'll take.
What was the score?
6-1, 6-1. She gave only 2 games. She's depressed because she gave 3 games. Yeah, I gave 6 games today.
Vaishnavi is recording, so it's out of frame.
So bad.
Good morning. So today is Mahindra matches day. So it's Monday and the time is... Oh, it just got unlocked. The time is 9. My match is at 10. So I'm just getting ready. I did some mobility exercises and now I'm going to pack my stuff and go out and start my warm-up. And I'm going to ask Dharni to record the clips of the match this time.
Say hi, uncle.
Hi.
Say something about this tournament.
I want Dharani to win doubles.
Thank you, uncle.
Hi. The dosa is really good. Come and have dosa. Are you recording? Say something
Yeah.
about this tournament. Hello. This tournament's nice. But it's raining. She hasn't even played yet. That is Saisha Taneja from Goa.
Want to say something about the tournament?
About the
Tournament.
good stuff.
Good shot.
Hi guys. Oh my god.
Hello.
Yeah.
Guys, she's complaining. to go.
No, that day she took a video of me, now she's not taking a good video of me. She's just saying and I'm complaining. The sister is being unfair. Stupid sister, stupid sister.
Okay, guys.
Take my reaction, not my reaction. Yeah, she has a match too.
We have a creep filming us and we don't know what to do. It's like really uncomfortable that she's filming us. She got the backward hands going on, making her look all gangster.
Yeah, go on, go on.
This is what distance assault looks like, guys. This is what distance assault looks like.
Yeah, by the way, she's Saisha.
Yes, you have to introduce yourself.
I am Sasha. I'm from Goa, and no, I don't live on the beach.
That's nice. That's nice. That's nice.
And yes, people have houses in Goa.
Yes. And people don't speak Goa.
Yeah, I'm
Goan language.
And yes, there's no language called Goanese.
going.
I'm so sorry, guys, but there is no language called Goanese.
This is best.
Smile all the time.
Okay, guys, we finished our singles, and I lost. I conceded actually because I ate some chicken biryani. That was not cooked. Morning, I had stomach upset. I thought I could manage, but I went on court. I was leading some 3-2. I was leading first set, and then from there I couldn't play. I conceded. Harini, how was your match? She lost singles too, and we had doubles right after that. Okay, so we lost first set. Look at us smiling after losing the match. It was crazy match because they were baseliners, and
They didn't do a single volley.
they didn't do single volley, no drop, nothing.
Yeah.
But their balls were flat, like they were not raising, and they were hitting it inside.
it was too flat.
Yeah, it was too flat. We were trying to put it like lob it and stuff. We lost the first set like that. We were still trying to figure out what we were doing, and I was doing some volleys. I don't know what volleys I did. First set. Second set we played we put ace. We aced our serve. We aced their serve. No, actually we thought we were going to ace every ball and we played. Then tiebreak, I don't know what happened. 5-ball we were playing good. 5-ball till 5-ball we were playing. Later on I don't know what. I don't even remember. Last second ball I hit out. Last ball she hit out. But it was very crucial. They didn't do one volley also, man. If they had actually volleyed and like played normally, we would have finished it. They were very good baseliners.
You should cry. It's not loud. Bro.
Bro, see, if you know what mistake you did, you can cry. We don't even know what we did in the match. But we played good. It was not bad. I was playing in the baseline, she was volleying. That's all we did. My volleys were coming bad. So I was like, Harini, it's your volley. You go volley, I'll play in the back. We played lefty and right. It was nice. That's all. That is what we are giving a stupid interview. It's not stupid. It is a good interview. Like this, nobody will explain, bro. I didn't stop.
Oh, okay.
2 minutes, 30 seconds interview we are giving for this day. Because I didn't record from morning. That's why. Anything else? Any other words you have? That's all. We lost 2-6, 6-3 and 7-10 tiebreak. I came out telling 8-10 for everybody. And then she was like, no bro, we served in the deuce side. Like, yeah, 9-7, 8-10. That's all. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hello guys, so today is the Tuesday, so it is the second round of singles matches, and I don't have match today because I lost a doubles also, and Tarini has match today at 12 o'clock, and all I am doing here is going to support her. and her teammate. Okay, let's go down. We just morning got up and I was a fitness coach for Harini. Parthiban, nothing she did. She was just running and doing skipping. And now I finished my breakfast. I'll go down. Let's go. Free labor. Gana, you need to ask. This broke because of the wind. Yeah, I'm vlogging instead of helping her. I'm giving moral support to Gagana. Let's go. It'll fall again, I think. Go far away. If it falls, you're responsible. So guys, this is Niyamika and we are doing an interview with Dosa.
This is my dosa. Its name is, let's name it, Prashant. Dosa, guys.
Okay, tell me about your experience in this tournament.
Tennis-wise, not good. But stay-wise and everything else, really good. I like this place.
You like this place? What do you like about this place?
It's very chill. The vibes are nice.
Tournament vibes.
Tournament vibes, okay. I didn't like my match. It's very shit.
That's all.
Yeah.
That's all, guys.
Enjoy dosa, guys. It's toned.
Interview of Niyamika with Dosa
Wrong. You said my
Prashant.
name wrong.
Niyamika. Guys, I'm mispronouncing her name from first day. Bye bye.
At this point, sometimes
Guys, they're fighting. Okay, let's introduce you to Harshit, a very decent fellow. She's laughing. Yeah, Mr. Decent. I'll tell you why he's decent. He told he has decent marks in 11th and 12th. Guess the percentage.
70.
198. 100 in 11th, 98 in 12th.
Wow.
That's decent for
Some nerd, whose nerd you are.
nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, okay. I don't know. You talk about something. I have nothing to ask. You're not playing this tournament.
So I wish I was born as a woman because
You wish you were born as a woman. Okay.
yeah,
So you can play this tournament.
yes,
Because you love this tournament so much.
yeah,
Okay. Then.
and I hate period cramps. Yeah,
Yeah.
You mentioned that you're 6'12", by the way.
yeah, I am 4'11". I'm borderline midget.
For,
No, you're supposed to be 7 feet.
I don't know what you guys are talking about. It's like an internal talk. I don't know what you're doing.
You know those videos where they'll be like, I hate women. I hate women have to go through all of this. I'm 7 feet, by the way.
Oh, got it.
I might have 6 figures in my bank, maybe.
The most of them are zeros.
Well, so
That's a good thing.
it just starts with a 0.
Yeah, I have 12 figures then. First one was also 0. First figures,
Interesting.
Go support your sister.
I have 12 figures and the first digit is 0.
Still 11.
She didn't tell the second digit.
No, but if it starts with 0, the entire thing is 0.
Oh, bro. Yeah, that's all.
So why
Go.
am I getting recorded?
Go. Yeah, just like that.
This is not going to be anywhere on the internet, right?
Hopefully. Surprise. No single. Yeah, I'm just recording beautiful skies and matches.
Now I'm just watching singles matches and I will be supporting for Dharni's match.
It's fine. Next point.
I need to go like far. This is. It's watching Dharani's and Yukta's match. Oh my god. Where is it even going? Harini Parthaban is doing coolie kelsa here. Tell bro, what are you doing? Business. No, sorry, what?
Internship.
She's doing internship.
Yes.
So Hemant sir was telling she's doing coolie kelsa here. How much are they paying you? Nothing, huh?
Zero.
No, guys, this is unfair. We need to call. What do you say? Lawyer. Need to get a lawyer.
Holy girl.
Coolie girl. Cool girl has become coolie girl. Okay, guys, she's Avyakta and this is
Dharani. So we are last minute partners.
doubles partners.
Yeah.
Tell me about your, take me through your doubles journey.
So when I go, if I start,
I
so
called, she just answered, and we became partners.
okay, like good chance.
This is Tanya. She's been hiding every time. That's your favorite.
First Priya Darshini was my partner. She left, and then Aisha was my partner.
Anisha.
She left.
Anisha, yeah.
And the second option, because
Third.
okay. And the third option, because she got cheated on a lot. She cheated on. So I'm the third
And then
person.
best partner. Crazy match.
Crazy.
Volleys were crazy.
The only partner who did not, allow me to get smacked or something.
The volleys, the match was crazy. It was really fun overall. I'll play with her again. Guarantee.
Let's go.
If she gets cheated on, she will play with me.
No, bro.
Before she gets cheated.
Okay, someone's cheating with me. Okay, I'm happy with that.
Yeah, that's all. Bye.
This is the end of the video, guys. So the women's tennis tournament in Hyderabad was a great experience. I got to meet so many talented players and had great conversation and even played with few of them. Though my match didn't go as planned, I learned a lot and came back with some valuable takeaways. Overall, it was an incredible opportunity to connect, compete and grow as player. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys like it. Please subscribe and do comment down.